Hello, my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Creation. So, my dear lovely friends, how are you? I hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. Dear friends, this video will be very helpful for you. And today I'm showing our all-hit trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and demanding crochet and hand-knitted halter neck top, crop top and blouse designs, especially for beginners. So dear friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find another ideas in our videos, so please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Lovely friends, I will try my best to share all new ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching.